prosecutor for the International Criminal Court, ICC, has Africa to thank for his job. Karim Khan, a British barrister, was left off the original shortlist for selection. Several African nations, including Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, and Liberia, called for the shortlist to be expanded. Eventually, Khan made the list as a consensus candidate of the African group. Only Mauritius withheld its support because of a dispute it has with the UK over the Chagos archipelago. Senegal's Adama Deng encouraged Khan to run in the first place. Deng is the UN Special Advisor on the Prevention of Genocide, and Senegal was the first on the continent to join the court. 33 out of the 123 signatories to the ICC are from Africa. When Khan eventually triumphed with 72 of the 123 votes, it was evident who he had to thank. His predecessors, Luis Moreno Ocampo and Fatou Bensouda, were both appointed by consensus. Khan, who will be sworn in on July 16th, won on a secret ballot. His most recent work has been in Iraq, gathering evidence and testimony that could one day be used against leaders of the Islamic State group. He was a special advisor to UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. In March, with Pope Francis preparing to tour Mosul, the Islamic State's one-time headquarters, Khan announced an interfaith dialogue across Iraq. But he won't be able to participate due to his new assignment. The 51-year-old Khan is British, but his family is from Pakistan. He previously defended Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto before the ICC. As Charles Taylor's lawyer in 2007, he famously walked out of the court on his client's instruction. 5 years later, the Liberian warlord was found guilty on all charges, including rape, pillage, and murder. Khan was no longer his lawyer when the conviction came. The ICC threw out the case against Ruto. He was up against murder, deportation, and persecution charges from Kenya's post-election violence in 2007-2008. Bensouda, a Gambian attorney, said she welcomes Khan's election as the next prosecutor, assuring him of her full support. In his correspondence with me, Mr. Khan has informed me that he will recuse himself from any case where a conflict of interest may be perceived to arise from his former representation of suspects or accused persons. He will have practical measures implemented to protect against any such risk, and the public can have complete confidence in the good faith and efficacy of this process and Mr. Khan's unyielding commitment to his duties and responsibilities under the Rome Statute. It is unclear at this point whether his work in Iraq for the UN would cause him to recuse himself from a case against the Islamic State. ADN TV will continue to report on political developments in Africa and across the globe.